I've got a pile of old pallets and a workshop full of possibilities. You know what? This is actually pretty fun, turning these beat-up pieces of wood into something beautiful and useful. Today, we're going to dive into the world of pallet projects, and I'm going to show you how to make some really cool stuff. So grab your tools and let's get started on this DIY adventure. Alright, let's get started with the basics. First things first, we need to talk about tools. You don't need anything fancy, just some essentials. A hammer, pry bar, saw, drill, and some sandpaper. Oh, and don't forget your safety gear. Goggles and gloves are a must. Trust me, it's easier than it looks to get started. Now, what we're going to do is break down these pallets. Here's a little trick I learned. Use the pry bar to gently separate the boards and then tap the hammer to loosen any stubborn nails. Take your time with this part. We want to keep as much of the wood intact as possible. Once you've got your pallet boards separated, give them a good sanding to smooth out any rough spots. Let's kick things up a notch and build some furniture. We're going to start with a simple bench. It's perfect for beginners. Take 4 pallet boards for the seat and use the pallet blocks as legs. Screw everything together and bam, you've got yourself a rustic bench. Add a coat of varnish and it'll look like something straight out of a fancy catalog. Next up, we're tackling a coffee table. This one's a bit trickier, but I know you can handle it. We'll use pallet boards for the top, arranging them in a herringbone pattern for some extra flair. The base? That's just a pallet cut down to size. A little sanding, some wood glue, and a few screws later, and you've got a conversation piece that'll make your friends jealous. Now let's head outside and spruce up that garden. We're going to make a vertical planter that'll turn heads. Take a whole pallet, stand it up and secure it to a wall. Then we'll add some backing board and create little pockets for the plants. It's like giving your flowers their own apartment complex. But why stop there? Let's go big and build a deck. Yeah, you heard me right. A whole deck from pallets. We'll start by leveling the ground and laying down a weed barrier. Then, we'll place whole pallets side by side, making sure they're level and secure. Top it off with some pallet boards for a smooth surface, and you've got yourself an outdoor oasis. Just imagine sipping lemonade on your very own pallet deck. Let's add some personality to your walls with pallet art. We'll take some of those narrower pallet slats and arrange them into a design. A little wood glue, some colorful paint, and you've got a one-of-a-kind piece that'll make your walls pop. Now here's the secret to making your pallet projects last. Proper finishing. Sand everything down nice and smooth, then apply a wood sealer to protect against moisture. For outdoor projects, you might want to use a water-resistant finish. And for that extra touch of professionalism, round off any sharp edges with sandpaper. Well, there you have it. From benches to decks, planters to wall art, the possibilities with pallets are endless. Remember, every project is a learning experience, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and try something new. Now it's your turn to raid that pile of pallets and start creating. Who knows? You might just discover your new favorite hobby. Happy building, everyone! And hey, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY ideas. Let's keep turning trash into treasure together.